Hi, this is Hannah Serta, and I'm going to show you a little experiment measuring the energy of plain water versus an elixir that we're going to make with, we have smoky quartz and clear quartz at the bottom of this Elixir2Go bottle. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to measure the energy using my pendulum of this bottled water. And as I hold it above, you see not much is happening. Okay. Next, this is the empty water bottle, but it's got the crystals, which I've actually infused with some energy. And then there you go. Okay. Next, we're going to add the water to the bottle. I just received this bottle the other day, did an unboxing, and now we're going to use it. So the bottle fits, let's see, I don't know if you can see this, not quite a full water bottle. I'm going to have to drink some of the water out the top. Okay, so putting the cap back on. And their instructions. So you see there's a glass partition that separates the stones, the crystals, from the water. So you can actually place some of the toxic healing stones, such as malachite, in the bottom chamber, and it won't affect the water. You can still drink the water. You won't have to worry about toxic chemicals leaching into your water. So we've got the water in with the crystals, and right away you see actually the energy is even stronger than it was when I just measured the crystals by themselves. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, I like to play around with flower essences, and I got this from Floricopia, Cellular Harmony. Flower essences. So I like to layer my drinking water. I'm going to add 4 drops of this flower essence. And just gently mix it around. And let's see if there's a difference here with the with the energy of the combined stone, water, and the flowers. And you see the torus, the energy torus given off. Yeah, my pendulum's going a little crazy, and it's picking up more and more. So there you go. We just made a Gem Elixir water. How fast was that? Hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. This is Hannah Serta from Mana from Hannah. Bye-bye.